Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to the brand new Ideal lever wire connectors. They come in the 2-port, the 3-port, and the 5-port sizes. And they will handle between 12 and 24 AWG wires. So as an example, I have this 5-port starting to be loaded up here, and I have a bare ground wire coming in right here, an insulated ground wire coming in right here. And now for the next one, I have my option of lifting up the lever and putting in the wire and putting the lever down, and it's in. You can check on the back, went all the way in. Okay, but you can also take your wire and just push it in like that. So you have your option of doing it either way. You might find it faster to just take these and push them in. So there you go. That's 5 wires, but then to take them out, you do need to use a lever. Pull it up all the way and just take them out. And you can see there's a testing port right here. So you can put your hot lead right in here and test it. So that's your testing port. One big advantage to these is that they can do both stranded and solid wire. So here we have 18 gauge stranded wire. And you want to twist it together real nice, just like in any connection. Okay, so this is the stranded wire. It goes right in here, and you clamp it down, okay? And then here's a 12 gauge solid wire, and you put it in there like that, and you clamp it right down. And that's a really big advantage to these lever wire nuts, is you can connect together, you know, like an 18 gauge stranded wire and a 12 gauge solid wire, or all the way to 24 gauge stranded wire, and all the way to 12 gauge solid wire. And they go together very nicely with these lever connectors. Here we have 3 red hot wires all connected together, and to take one out, you just pull it right out like that, and to put it back in, put it in all the way and put down the lever. Now you can, if you like, once the lever's down, just push this in all the way, and that's good as well. Here's another common example from a lighting fixture. This is a 16 gauge lighting fixture wire. It's stranded, so we'll just take and put that right in here all the way and clamp it down. And then here's a 12 gauge solid wire. You just put that in there and clamp it down, and there you go. You're ready to wire up your light. These lever wire connectors are only to be used for copper to copper connections, not copper to aluminum. These connectors are CE, UK, CA, and UL listed, and they are ENEC listed. They are listed to carry up to 32 amps, and in the United States they're listed for 600 volts. They have a built-in wire strip length on the back of the connectors. And one really good thing about these connectors is that the levers open in an opposite direction to other brands to prevent accidental loosening. In conclusion, I would say that they have a compact design, they have a clear housing so you can turn around and make sure the wire is all the way in, they're quick, and they're simple. I'll put links in my video description for these wire connectors, and I'll put links for the Ideal Twister ProFlex connectors if that's what you prefer. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.